HK Joshi, Mrs. HK Joshi, she's the first lady to become the chairperson and the managing director of Shipping Corporation of India. She was also appointed as a CFO SCI. She has held multiple additional charges from time to time at the board level of director personnel and administration director, bulk carrier and tankers. She has had 3 decades of ONGC. She's defied all norms and she's the paradigm shift herself. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you?
I'm good, Deepshika. How are you? First of all, before we start, I would like to heartfully congratulate you on this great milestone that you've achieved. And I think you give so much of a big platform to all of us, bringing out the paradigm shift. But I think this is my way of reciprocating and saying that it's a great milestone that you've achieved, and you've I think. It's been a paradigm shift. The paradigm shift company has done a paradigm shift.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, Harjeet ji, please tell me that, like today we are meeting after almost a year. And what would you like to tell our viewers about? Like, has there any incident or something or a story that has, changed the way, your life is shaping up, or something that has changed your life completely, if you would like to share with us?
Right. So, Deepshika, I think we spoke quite some time back, and I think that was just about the beginning of the pandemic, where the impact of the pandemic had really not seeped in. And
Right.
now we are talking when we are much more wiser, when the experience of the pandemic has, I think there's hardly a family or a friend whose family wouldn't have been touched by the pandemic in some way or the other. So I
Right.
think this pandemic has been a great, and it's not an incident. It's actually a sort of a episode which has gone through the entire globe. So it's not a single incident only in my life. So I think I'd like to talk about that, because the pandemic has changed everything around us, not only about the way we do business, but it has changed and greatly impacted our personal lives. I think to a large extent, it has also changed the way we think and the way we
Right.
perceive things. So,
Right.
this has been one very big incident in all of our lives. And for me, I must say the empathy factor as a leader, as at the head of the organization,
Yes.
as I have the responsibility of an administrator as far as the company goes, I think the empathy factor really dominated the way I led the company during this time. And I think that is the secret of the success of Shipping Corporation of India during the pandemic time. And while a woman is normally blessed with this emotion or this capability, but I think I, as an administrator, as an officer, used to always think that expressing your love or affection was making you weak. And I actually realized during the pandemic that expressing actually is a strength, it's not a
Yes.
weakness. So
Absolutely.
this, so because you are a woman, because you are a leader, because you are the first time in this position. So when I initiated into this role, so I was, you're trying to be a little hard, harsh, trying to say that yes, you can do it all. Never realizing that the softness can also be a skill which can help you as an administrator, and this is what the pandemic taught me. So while this
Wow.
is what I did at work, I think also it redefined all the relationships, because the importance of a life, I think the
Yes.
pandemic taught us.
Right.
The way a candle, it can just flicker off in a split second. We've seen the impact even on very healthy people, on very young people. So it wasn't what, the complete value of life changed in the pandemic. And you realize
Absolutely.
and you realize that the person you may be talking to and interacting to tomorrow may be a different story altogether. So the
Right.
importance of what you are doing today and
Hmm.
ensuring that your relationship stay strong today. I mean,
Hmm.
many times we, on small things, we get into arguments, we fight,
Yeah.
and we leave
Yeah.
it for a tomorrow. But I think the pandemic taught us that the tomorrow may never come. So you must ensure that you do everything today, especially where
Absolutely.
relationships are concerned. And I think
Absolutely.
the bonding has been much stronger. The trust, the belief has been much stronger in the pandemic. Earlier, we were, I think, getting towards a shallow relationship, but somewhere the pandemic has strengthened bonds. Instead
Beautiful.
of instead of this inflicting, it's actually strengthened us. While we have had the resilience and the strength to sail through this, but I think somewhere it has strengthened all of us, strengthened the core, I would say.
Right. Absolutely, that is so well put. Thank you so much for these pearls of wisdom. Thank you for taking time. Thank you for putting up with all the technical back and forth that we had to do. And thank you so much for honoring us with your presence. Thank you so much.
And I'll just like to conclude again by congratulating the Paradigm Shift company
Uh,
and congratulating Deepshika on this great milestone. Many more
oh,
successes to you, Deepshika.
thank you so much. Thank you so
and
much.
and you are also a friend, a relationship which has born out of the pandemic, so very close and dear to me.
Thank you so much. Same here, Harjeet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Good evening.